Welcome back to the Cobra Trading channel, everyone, where we focus on people, passion, and platforms. I'm Alex Bustos, and if you're thinking about opening an account with Cobra Trading with a minimum of $30,000, there's a few things you need to be aware of. So you're thinking about opening an account with a minimum of $30,000. Just to let you know right off the bat, you're close to the pattern day trader rule. Why is that a factor? Well, when you're trading, you don't want any added pressure. You don't want to feel stress. You don't want to think about, oh, I'm so close. I'm $5,000 away from being flagged as a pattern day trader, that it makes you make decisions that you shouldn't make, right? You're trading based off your profit and loss, based off how much are you going to make, how much further can you get away from the pattern day trader rule, right? We don't want you under that type of stress, because we know if you're trading under that type of mentality, you're not going to be consistent. And we want you to be consistent. We want you to be successful as a trader. Being only $5,000 away from the pattern day trader rule, it means that you need to really shrink down your position size. And that means you need to shrink down your mentality of trying to get rich quick. To become successful at your trading, you need to think about trading very slow and trading methodically, and making sure that you take the right position size off of the right amount that you can risk. In this case, $5,000. You shouldn't be thinking, I have $30,000, so I should risk 1% or 2 or 3, whatever your percentage is of that $30,000, because you can quickly dip right back under the pattern day trader rule. Now, there's another way around this, right? You could just throw more money into your account to where you're further away, so that way you can trade stress-free. That way you're not worried and thinking about how close am I to 25,000. Now, that's an easy way to go about it. Another way is to make sure that you yourself as a trader are very, very selective, meaning you only trade the best of the best of the best setups. You're going to need a lot of patience. So as a trader, you know how hard it is to have patience. You know that it's not easy to do, especially when you're trying to grow your account. If you're going to start out with a minimum of 30,000, there's some things you need to be aware of, and you need to start thinking about these. And that way you're better prepared, and you create a plan and a system to keep you in line so you don't fall under the PDT. I'm hoping this all makes sense now, why you might want to think twice before just opening with 30,000. Now, if you have no choice, completely fine. Just know you gotta trade very selective. But if you do have a choice, you might want to think twice and put a little bit more to give you a little bit more leeway when it comes to your trading account. Now, if you have any questions at all, always feel free, reach out to us at cobratrading.com. We're always happy to help you there. And don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified for future content. Thanks.